This video was produced with the assistance of 5 AI tools. Midjourney for generating cool images. DID for animating and providing voiceover. ChatGPT for converting my draft into a correct video script. vidiq for creating an optimized title, description, tags, and hashtags for YouTube SEO. Let me show you how I did it. Tool 1 Midjourney. Step 1. Open Midjourney to create a character for your video. If you don't know how to use it, watch my tutorial video about Midjourney. Step 2. Generate an image using Midjourney version 4, beta upscaler, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. Select the best image, upscale it, and save it to your computer. Tool 2 DID. Step 1. Go to did.com and register using your Google, Facebook, or email account. Step 2. Click Create Video, and then Add to upload your character image. Step 3. Add your script, select the language, voice actor, and style. After setting everything up, click Generate Video, and wait for the generation process to complete. Step 4. Play and check your video. If everything looks good, download your video. Tool 3 vidiq. Step 1. Open your vidiq extension. If you don't have one, you can install it in your browser. Step 2. Ask vidiq AI to make your title more SEO friendly. You can ask for multiple options and choose the best one. Step 3. Ask vidiq AI to create a video description from your new title. Step 4. Ask vidiq AI to check Ahrefs for the best keywords to create tags for your video. Step 5. Ask vidiq AI to create hashtags for your video. Copy them all to Notepad. Tool 4 ChatGPT. Create a draft script for your video and ask ChatGPT to create a production script for you. Tool 5 Audacity. Step 1. Open Audacity to record the text-to-speech voice. If you don't know how to record website audio, watch my tutorial video about this. After completing all the steps, combine the video and audio and upload it to YouTube. Use all the AI-generated title, description, and tags. Congratulations! You have just created an AI-generated YouTube video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more AI tips. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.